Hey guys, today we talk about how can you disable expense category on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on more down here, and just click here on more. Then it's going to show for you like this. It's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on configuration here, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on expense category settings, just click on it. You come to next step here, you come here to this here subcategory, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean here expenses category disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking